Hello, anak. Happy birthday. Good evening and good morning. Kumusta na dyan, anak ko? Talaga naman siguro. Ngayon, kami ito, bumabati ng happy birthday and 18, anong tawag yun? 18 birthday. Happy birthday, God bless you.
Hi Mika, happy birthday. It's your 18th birthday and stay as sweet as you are, as beautiful as you are, and as a good girl as you are. You're now of legal age. Kung legal age na dyan, saan daw ninyo ang 18? I don't know. But dati ka namang mabait na bata, so just maintain, and we wish you success in all your endeavors, in your chosen career, and may God always guide you in all your undertakings. Happy birthday, Nika!
AJ, kung na dito.
Happy birthday, Nika! Siguro mas matangkad ka na sa amin lahat dito. Magpatangkad ka pa. More birthdays ko pa. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nika. God bless always. Ingat. Tito, tita, ingat. Kay Billy.